In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete row in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove an entire row safely and confidently without accidentally clearing the wrong cells or leaving gaps in your data. Start by selecting the row you want to remove. The easiest way is to click the row number on the far left side of the worksheet. When you click that gray number, Excel highlights the entire row from edge to edge. That highlight indicates you're working with the whole row, not just a single cell. This matters because deleting a single cell behaves differently than deleting a row. A cell deletion will shift surrounding cells, which can scramble your layout. So take a moment to confirm the entire row is shaded before you proceed. If you need to remove multiple rows, you can drag across several row numbers to select them all at once. But be absolutely sure you've selected only the rows you intend to delete. Next, right-click the selected row. You can right-click directly on the row number or anywhere within the highlighted area. This opens a context menu with options tailored to what you've selected. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking works the same way. If the menu doesn't show up, try right-clicking again specifically on the row number. That ensures Excel recognizes you want row-level actions. Now, click Delete in the context menu. Because you selected an entire row, Excel removes that row completely and shifts everything below it up by one line to fill the space. Your column headings, formulas, and references typically adjust automatically, but it's still smart to glance for any unexpected changes, especially if your sheet contains totals, filters, or tables. If you see anything off, use Undo right away to roll back the change and try again. A couple of quick safety notes to keep your data clean. Deleting a row is different from clearing contents. Clearing contents erases what's in the cells but leaves empty cells behind, which can affect sorting and calculations. Deleting the row removes the cells themselves, maintaining a tidy structure. Also, if multiple rows were selected, intentionally or not, Excel deletes them all at once, so always check your selection before you click. That's it. Select the row, right-click it, and choose Delete. With those simple actions and a quick double-check, you can keep your spreadsheet organized and error-free.